All right, we have some news just coming in. This is a big scoop on Operation Sindhu debate in Parliament, which was due. Remember, Home Minister Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will be leading the government charge on this one. The government debate is going to be initiated by them. Top Modi mantris to speak on Operation Sindhu in Parliament. Operation Sindhu debate in Parliament from Monday onwards. These are details that we have with us about the top leaders in fact leading the government's charge on this. Piyush Mishra is in Parliament telling us more. From Monday there would be a debate. The top mantris of the Modi Sarkar would be going all guns blazing, also putting out their position. Not just to counter the opposition, Piyush, remember, but to counter US's arguments that the American president in fact intervened, and that's how truce was established between both the countries. These are narratives that this government has to counter, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. What we are now learning is that 16 hours debate will take place in Lok Sabha, and a similar sort of time has been allotted for Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, the debate on Operation Sindhu will begin on Monday, and on Tuesday, the debate will begin in Rajya Sabha. So, lengthy discussions we can expect next week. So, for at least 3 to 4 days, lengthy discussions on Operation Sindhu will take place, and during this debate, the government is going to put forth its views. Government is going to tell to the nation about the entire operation, about the valor, and also how the entire operation was conducted, about also the involvement of Pakistan in Pahalgam terror attack. So all the points which the opposition is going to raise, all these will be answered by the government, and the top ministers of the Modi government will be responding to the points. Those will be raised by opposition political parties. What we are learning is that today there is a meeting also which has been called, and in that particular meeting there will be a discussion on the number of speakers, the list of speakers who will be speaking at the part of government. The opposition leaders have already forwarded few names from their side to the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, and we can expect a fiery war of words, because the opposition is going to certainly question government over the claims those are being made by US President Donald Trump. On that, the government is also going to respond. Remember that today itself there is a written reply also coming in from MOS MEA Kirti Vardhan Singh, where he has once again mentioned that it was Pakistan which requested for the ceasefire, and then only the ceasefire took place. So the government has once again reiterated that there was no mediation on the part of Trump, and once again we can expect similar sort of words being put forth by the government. So it's going to be a busy week, next week, Parliament week, where we will see a lot of discussions taking place. Allegations versus counter allegations will come out, but yes, the government is going to point out the success of Operation Sindhu in this entire debate.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Piyush Mishra telling us about the Operation Sindhu debate in Parliament, which is going to start on Monday, and the mantris who would be leading the charge as far as the government's own argument here is concerned. The opposition, of course, is demanding a reply from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.